1. Which individual holds the position of the 15th President of India? Answer: C. Draupadi Murmu. 2. Who is the 14th Vice President of India? Answer: B. Jagdeep Dhankar. 3. Who serves as the 15th Prime Minister of India? Answer: C. Shri Narendra Modi. 4. Who is the current Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India, identified as the 52nd? Answer: C. B.R. Gavai. 5. Who is the 16th Attorney General of India? Answer: B.R. Venkataramani. 6. Who is the current Solicitor General of India? Answer: B. Tushar Mehta. 7. Who is the Chairperson of the National Green Tribunal? Answer: C. Justice Prakash Srivastava. 8. Who is the Speaker of Rajya Sabha? Answer: D. Jagdeep Dhankar. 9. Who holds the position of Deputy Speaker Rajya Sabha? Answer: B. Harivansh Narayan Singh. 10. Who is the Secretary General of Rajya Sabha? Answer: C. Pramod Chandra Modi. 11. Who is the Leader of Opposition in Rajya Sabha? Answer: B. Mallikarjun Kharge. 12. Who is the Leader of the ruling party in Rajya Sabha? Answer: C. J.P. Nadda. 13. Who serves as the Speaker of the Lok Sabha 18th? Answer: C. Om Birla. 14. Who is the Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha? Answer: B. Rahul Gandhi. 15. Who is the Secretary General of Lok Sabha? Answer: C. Utpal Kumar Singh. 16. Who is the current Chief Election Commissioner, identified as the 26th? Answer: C. Gyanesh Kumar. 17. Which of the following individuals is listed as an election commissioner? Answer: C. Vivek Joshi. 18. Who is the Comptroller and Auditor General, CAG, identified as the 15th? Answer: C. Sanjay Murthy. 19. Who is the Comptroller General of Accounts, CGA, identified as the 28th? Answer: B. S.S. Dubey. 20. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces? Answer: B. President SMT. Draupadi Murmu. 21. Who is the Chief of Air Staff, identified as the 28th? Answer: A. Amarpreet Singh. 22. Who is the Chief of Naval Staff, identified as the 26th? Answer: B. Dinesh Kumar Tripathi. 23. Who is the 30th Chief of Army Staff? Answer: C. Upendra Dwivedi. 24. Who is the DG Military Operations, DGMO? Answer: C. Manoj Kumar Katiyar. 25. Who holds the position of Cabinet Secretary? Answer: B. T.V. Somnathan. 26. Who is listed as an advisor to the Prime Minister? Answer: B. Tarun Kapoor. 27. Who is listed as a Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister? Answer: C. Pramod Kumar Mishra. 28. Who is the 35th Foreign Secretary? Answer: B. Vikram Misri. 29. Who is the Home Secretary? Answer: B. Givin Mohan. 30. Who is the Finance Secretary? Answer B. Ajay Seth. 31. Who is the Defense Secretary? Answer A. Shri Rajesh Kumar Singh. 32. Who is the Revenue Secretary? Answer B. Shri Arvind Srivastava. 33. Which individual holds the position of National Security Advisor (NSA)? Answer B. Ajit Doval. 34. Who is the Deputy National Security Advisor? Answer B. T.V. Ravichandran. 35. Who is the Chief Economic Advisor? Answer B. Anantha Nageswaram. 36. Who is the Principal Scientific Advisor? Answer B. Ajay Kumar Sood. 37. Who is the Central Vigilance Commissioner (CVC)? Answer C. Praveen Kumar Srivastava. 38. Who is the Director of CBI? Answer B. Praveen Sood. 39. Who is the Chief Information Commissioner? Answer B. Hiralal Samaria. 40. Who is the Head of the Intelligence Bureau (IB)? Answer B. Tapan Kumar Deka. 41. Who is the Head of the Research and Analysis Wing (RAW)? Answer C. Parag Jain. 42. Who is the DG, National Investigation Agency (NIA)? Answer B. Sadanand Date. 43. Who is the Director, Enforcement Directorate (ED)? Answer B. Rahul Navin. 44. Who is the DG, Narcotics Control Bureau (NCB)? Answer B. Anurag Garg. 45. Who is the DG, Sashastra Seema Bal (SSB)? Answer B. Amrit Mohan Prasad. 46. Who is the Director General of the Border Security Force (BSF)? Answer B. Daljit Singh Chaudhary. 47. Who is the DG CRPF? Answer B. Gyanendra Pratap Singh. 48. Who is the DG Central Industrial Security Force CISF? Answer B. R.S. Bhatti. 49. Who is the DG National Security Guard NSG? Answer B. B. Srinivasan. 50. Who is the Director Special Protection Group SPG? Answer B. Alok Sharma. 51. Who is the Additional Director General ITBP? Answer B. Sanjeev Raina. 52. Who is the DG National Cadet Corps NCC? Answer B. Gurbir Pal Singh. 53. Who is the Director General Indian Coast Guard ICG? Answer B. S. Parmesh. 54. Who is the DG National Disaster Relief Force NDRF? Answer B. Piyush Anand. 55. Who is the DG Assam Rifles? Answer B. Vikas Lakhera. 56. Who is the DG Railway Protection Force RPF? Answer B. Manoj Yadav. 57. Who is the Director General Home Guards HG? Answer B. Vivek Srivastava. 58. Who is the Chairman NITI Aayog? Answer C. Prime Minister Narendra Modi. 59. Who is the Deputy Chairman NITI Aayog? Answer B. Suman Kumar Berry. 60. Who is the current CEO of NITI Aayog? Answer C. B.V.R. Subramaniam. 61. Who is the chairperson UPSC? Answer B. Ajay Kumar. 62. Who is the chairman 22nd Law Commission? Answer B. Rituraj Avasthi. 63. Who is the chairperson National Commission for Women? Answer B. Vijay Rahatkar. 64. Who is the chairman National Backward Classes Commission? Answer B. Hasraj Gangaram Ahir. 65. Who is the chairman Staff Selection Commission? Answer B. S. Gopalakrishnan. 66. Who is the chairman 7th Pay Commission? Answer B. Ashok Kumar Mathur. 67. Who is the chairperson Lokpal? Answer B. Ajay Manikrao Khanvilkar. 68. Which individual is listed as the chairman of the 16th Finance Commission? Answer C. Arvind Panagaria. 69. Who is the chairman Competition Commission of India? Answer B. Ravneet Kaur. 70. Who is the chairman National Commission for ST? Answer B. Antar Singh Arya. 71. Who is the chairman National Commission for SC? Answer B. Kishore Makwana. 72. Who is the chairman National Human Rights Commission NHRC identified as the 9th? Answer B. V. Ram Subramanian. 73. Who is the chairman National Commission for Protection of Child Rights? Answer B. Priyank Kanungo. 74. Who is the chairman National Commission for Minorities? Answer B. Iqbal Singh Lalpura. 75. Who is the chairman and CEO of the Railway Board? Answer B. Satish Kumar. 76. Who is the chairman of SEBI? Answer B. Tuhin Kanata Pandey. 77. Who is the CEO of Central Board of Film Certification? Answer B. Ravindra Bhakar. 78. Who is the chairman Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Answer B. Rajesh Nirvan. 79. Who is the chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes CBDT? Answer B. Ravi Agarwal. 80. Who is the chairman Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs CBIC? Answer B. Sanjay Kumar Agarwal. 81. Who is the chairman of National Dairy Development Board? Answer B. Minesh Shah. 82. Who is the Director General of Border Roads Organization? Answer B. Raghu Srinivasan. 83. Who is the Chairman Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board? Answer B. Anil Kumar Jain. 84. Who is the Chairman of the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India TRAI? Answer B. Anil Kumar Lahoti. 85. Who is the CEO UIDAI? Answer B. Bhuvnesh Kumar. 86. Who is the Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India? Answer B. M.K. Narayan. 87. Who is the Chairman Public Accounts Committee? Answer B. K.C. Venugopal. 88. Who is the Chairman Estimates Committee? Answer B. Dr. Sanjay Jaiswal. 89. Who is the Chairman National Highway Authority of India NHAI? Answer B. Santosh Kumar Yadav. 90. Who is the Chairman of University Grant Commission? Answer B. Vineet Joshi. 91. Who is the Vice Chancellor of University of Delhi? Answer B. Yogesh Singh. 92. Who is the Vice Chancellor JNU? Answer B. Shantisri Dulipuri Pandit. 93. Who is the Vice Chancellor BHU? Answer B. Sudhir K. Jain. 94. Who is the Chancellor Nalanda University? Answer B. Arvind Pangaria. 95. Who is the Chancellor Gati Shakti University? Answer B. Ashwini Vaishnav. 96. Who is the Director NCERT? Answer B. Dinesh Prasad Saklani. 97. Who is the current Chairman of CBSE? Answer D. Rahul Singh. 98. Who is the President Sahitya Akademi? Answer B. Madhav Kaushik. 99. Who is the President Sangeet Natak Akademi? Answer B. Shekhar Sen. 100. Who is the President Lalit Kala Academy? Answer B. Uma Nanduri. 101. Who is the Chairman of ISRO? Answer B. Dr. V. Narayanan. 102. Who is the Chairman of Atomic Energy Commission AEC? Answer B. A.K. Mohante. 103. Who is the Chairman of Atomic Energy Regulatory Board AERB? Answer B. Dinesh Kumar Shukla. 104. Who is the Director of Bhabha Atomic Research Center BARC? Answer B. Vivek Bhasin. 105. Who is the Chairman of the Defense Research Development Organization DRDO? Answer C. Samir V. Kamath. 106. Who is the Director General of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research? Answer B. Nellathambi Kalasilvi. 107. Who is the Chairman of Council of Industrial and Development Research? Answer B. T. Ramasamy. 108. Who is the Director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center? Answer B. Dr. Unnikrishnan Nair. 109. Who is the Chairman of International Cricket Council? Answer B. Jay Shah. 110. Who is the President of Olympic Council of Asia? Answer B. Kirsty Coventry. 111. Who is the President of International Athletic Federation? Answer B. Sebastian Coe. 112. Who is the President Indian Weightlifting Federation? Answer B. Mohammad Jalood. 113. Who is the President International Hockey Federation FIH? Answer B. Mohammad Tayyab Ikram. 114. Who is the President FIFA? Answer B. Gianni Infantino. 115. Who is the President of International Boxing Association Athletes Committee? Answer B. Lovlina Borgohain. 116. Who is the current President of the Board of Control for Cricket in India BCCI? Answer B. Roger Binney. 117. Who is the Test Captain Board of Control for Cricket in India? Answer B. Shubman Gill. 118. Who is the head coach Indian Cricket Men Team? Answer B. Gautam Gambhir. 119. Who is the Director General Sports Authority of India? Answer B. Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya. 120. Who is the President of Wrestling Federation of India, WFI? Answer B. Sanjay Singh. 121. Who is the Chief of All India Football Confederation? AIFF. Answer B. Kalyan Chaubey. 122. Who is the President of Hockey India? Answer B. Dilip Turkey. 123. Who is the President of Indian Olympic Association, IOA? Answer B. P.T. Usha. 124. Who is the Governor of Reserve Bank of India, RBI, identified as the 26th? Answer C. Sanjay Malhotra. 125. Which of the following is a Deputy Governor of RBI? Answer C. Poonam Gupta. 126. Who is the Chairman of State Bank of India, SBI? Answer B. Challa Srinivasulu Setti. 127. Who is the Chairman of Punjab National Bank? Answer B. Ashok Chandra. 128. Who is the CEO of ICICI Bank? Answer B. Sandeep Bakshi. 129. Who is the CEO of HDFC Bank? Answer B. Shashidhar Jagdisha. 130. Who is the Secretary General of the United Nations? Answer C. Antonio Guterres. 131. Who is the 14th President of the World Bank, IBRD? Answer C. Ajay Banga. 132. Who is the Director General, UNESCO? Answer B. Audrey Azoulay. 133. Who is the CEO of Google? Answer C. Sundar Pichai. 134. Who is the CEO of Apple? Answer B. Tim Cook. 135. Who is the CEO of Microsoft? Answer B. Satya Nadella. 136. Who is listed as the CEO of Tata Sons? Answer C. Natarajan Chandrasekaran. 137. Who is the CEO of TCS? Answer B. K. Krithivasan. 138. Who is the CEO of Infosys? Answer B. Salil Parekh. 139. Who is the CEO of OpenAI? Answer B. Sam Altman. 140. Which individual is the CEO of SpaceX? Answer C. Elon Musk. 141. Who is the CEO of YouTube? Answer B. Neil Mohan. 142. Who is the CEO of Instagram? Answer B. Kevin Systrom. 143. Who is the CEO of Facebook? Answer B. Mark Zuckerberg. 144. Who is the CEO of Twitter? Answer B. Linda Yaccarino. 145. Who is the CEO of Flipkart? Answer B. Kalyan Krishnamurthy. 146. Who is the current Managing Director of the International Monetary Fund, IMF? Answer C. Kristalina Georgieva. 147. Who is the current President of the Asian Development Bank, ADB? Answer D. Masato Kanda. 148. Who is the current Director General of the World Health Organization, WHO? Answer B. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. 149. Who is the current Director General of the Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO? Answer C. Kudongyu.